what the heck's going on?
This is exactly what we wanted to see. Something late in the season, not during our summer, to drive people, expenditures, kind of in that off-season time, and I think it's been a home run this year, without question.
What a great day for us. We, the Boeing Company, are having all of our customers from around the world for a 787 Fleet Team Conference right here in Surf City, Huntington Beach, with a great air show all day long. What a great opportunity for all of us. Thank you for everybody making it possible.
We love it. Happy birthday.
It's a spectacular event. We're proud of our city that we could put something on like this, and we love HB Breitling Air Show #1.
Your 2017 Blue Angels.